Hey fam, this is Dr. Russ coming to you from my home office, and I have something personal I want to share with you. A few weeks ago, a close friend approached me with a project that held significant promise. However, because of my commitment to my growing YouTube channel, which, by the way, celebrated 1 year anniversary in July, and that brought a great increase in demand on my time. So as a result of that, I was forced to shelve the project temporarily. Now, I'm ready to explore the project with some motivation. Reason being, in my career, I've had no problem making money as long as I was willing to trade time for it. And herein lies the problem because I'm no longer willing to do that. At this stage of my life, my time is too important to trade for money. When I know that there are systems that can work to make money for me. As a father of 8 who missed so much of my children's childhood due to doing what? Trading time for money, I am committed to finding a way to earn money effectively from home. More importantly, I am dedicated to sharing this journey with others who wish to do the same while gaining personal growth and development. With that said, this digital marketing program is designed to help you to develop the skills to earn, listen carefully, $300 a day or $109,000 a year, $600 a day or $219,000 a year, or $900 a day or $328,000 a year. And here's the key, listen closely. This is all while working 2 hours a day. You heard me right. We're talking about a schedule of 2 hours a day to earn up to $900 a day or $328,000 a year. This is with an automated system that works while you sleep. Now, I don't have all the experience in this area yet, but what I'm going to do is go through the training modules and post my results right here. So I invite you to track my progress and be a part of this journey. And your support and feedback are invaluable to me. Now, once I complete my website, I'm going to be posting in the description of this video, along with my email address. So feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever. So stay tuned, fam. I'll be back with an update as I make my way through the various trainings. So until tomorrow, this is Dr. Russ, wishing you much success and blessings, family. We'll see you then. Later.